Hello traders, Nifty opened inside this range and there is a quick fall, and after that it went higher slow and steadily. It went higher and closed exactly around the resistance level. Let's see what is going to happen tomorrow, and let's create our plan and mark the important levels. Before doing anything, just first let's zoom out and see what's happening overall. This is what happened on Friday and this is happened on Monday. After that nothing happened. Nifty stayed inside this range. If you're not able to see, I'll just zoom in. And after consolidating for 2 days, first day and second day, this is a gap up day. After this gap up day, there is a consolidation for 2 days, and on the third day there is a gap fill trade. We discussed about this gap fill trade in the analysis video after this gap up, and there is a gap fill trade. It filled this gap and closed somewhere here, and on Friday it is a consolidation inside this range, this previous day's range, and today it opened inside this range and there is a quick fall. After that it recovered non-stop. It closed around this resistance level. If this resistance level breaks tomorrow, we can see further up move. Let's mark the important levels. This is one of the important resistance level. It tested multiple times. Let me show you. First time it created resistance here, and a second time at this point, third time, fourth time. If it's going to break this level tomorrow or test this level, consolidate here and break, we can see further upside move from this point. And let's mark the important support areas as well. And one more resistance area is, I'm going to zoom in. Another important resistance area is today's high, and a support area is this one. And there is one more thing. There is a trend line based on today's price action. If this trend line breaks tomorrow after opening inside this range, you can expect a move till this point or this point for a retest, and after that it can go higher or it can go lower, but that should be the target plan. And let's mark other important support areas. This is one of the important support area in intraday. There is a bounce back, and another important support area is this one. This is a gap fill trades low point. These are the important support areas, and there is a one more support area. If you want, you can remember this point. After breaking this level, if there is any bounce back, it is going to happen from this level. That's all. And let's create our plan. If you are not able to see this level, I'll zoom in. It is 24,300 level, this high point, and this is 24,350 level, and this one is 24,140 level, and 24,020 level. This is 23,890 level or 880 level. You can note down these levels or you can remember, and you can mark them on your chart. And one more immediate support is this level. If it opens inside this range and breaks this high, let's see how the market is reacting at this level. If it's going to consolidate and break this level, it is going to be a bullish day. It is going to close at the highest point of the day. It is going to move higher, and any dip you should buy. And if it breaks on the lower side, this level or this level, if it breaks, let's see how it's going to react at the trend line. If this trend line breaks, this is your first target. This should be our first target, and after touching this point, drill your SL to cost or slightly in profit or in loss based on your trading system. And after consolidating and breaking this level, this is your second target. That's all. These are the two targets you should aim for. If it's bouncing from this level also, you can take your profits around this level. That should be the plan if it breaks on the lower side. And if there is any gap down, wait for a retest this level or the closing price. Once it is breaking the low, first 5 minutes low, 15 minutes low, days low, you should be on the sell rate for this target. And gap up also, it's a similar. If there is any gap up above this level or above this level, wait for a retest. After breaking this high again, there may be a retest or there may not be a retest, but you should consider these two scenarios for gap down and gap up. After opening here, there may be a slight pullback within the same candle, and it may break. It may close as a green candle. Next candle may break this high, and it is a bullish sign. You should understand that sometimes there will be a pullback, sometimes there won't be pullbacks. You should change your plan along with the market. After opening a gap up, if there is any pullback and breaking this high, you should be in the long trade, and it is going to end at the highest point of the day. Closing will be highest point of the day, and it is going to be a bullish day. I hope the plan is clear. Based on today's price action, it is going to be a bullish day if it breaks this level once again after opening a flat inside this range. And even if it opens gap up also, it's the same. If it opens gap down, you should see how the price is behaving. Let's check the open interest, and there is an issue with the server for the past few days. That's why you are not able to get the PCR data. Now you are going to get the PCR data, and now you can access this application, and you can see the PCR data is 1.92, which is a bullish sign. And option sellers created this put OI, and call OI is less in intraday. And let's check the positional OI, what's happening. PCR is a 1.18 in positional, which is a bullish sign, and option sellers created this short short straddles around 24,300, which is the closing price. Closing price is around 24,276 and 24,200, and there is a put rating around 24,100, and there is a major support around 24,000, and there is a resistance around 24,500. So option sellers are expecting there is a upside movement. There is going to be an upside momentum based on this option chain, and the price action is also suggesting the same thing. If you want to learn a price action, I have published a video price action guide. I'm going to provide the link in description. Watch that video. You're going to learn a lot about how to read the price action and how to analyze it, how I am going to read the charts without any indicator. You're going to learn a lot in that video. Just watch that video till the end. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.